Today we will be working with titles, so click on Title, New Title, Defeat Still and resize it to 3000 by 3000, but it depends on the size of your clip. Rename to Title #1, click OK. Using Rectangle tool, create huge shape, just to make sure that it covers the whole area and place it on middle. Before closing and saving this shape, go to Shadow and change settings there, increase size, opacity and other parameters as you want. That's it, now close and drag and drop this title here, move the second clip using method that I showed you in the previous video. Now go to Effect Controls and Animate Position. Now change rotation to 115 degrees and play. Make these keyframes easy in, play again. Expand position settings and we can play with Graph Editor a little bit more precisely. We want this animation starting with very smooth motion, then going much more faster and ending again very smooth. Let's play again. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. Last step is adding track matte key to second clip and set matte to video track number 3. Crop our title and play one more time. That's it in this lesson. In the next one we are going to start working with text transitions, so I hope you will enjoy it. See you in a bit.